Fried fish, Virgin Beach style, 150 pesos, is the title of our Virgin Beach Cebu vlog number 84. Hello everybody, I'm Ron Perry, and along with my wife Faye Perry are the owners of Virgin Beach Resort, Malbago, Daanbantayan, Cebu, Philippines. We're still here in California because of the COVID, but dreaming of being at the resort. We have an a la carte menu, and one of the items, or the entrees, is the fried fish. It's only 150 pesos. We're open for business, so we hope you'll come by and see us soon. We have day use for only 100 pesos per person, fan room for 500 pesos, aircon with breakfast for 2 for only 1,000 pesos per night. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next vlog.
Hello guys, good day. Today, as a continuation, we're gonna cook the fried fish of Virgin Beach. We have a rabbit fish. It is already cleaned. The salt, the seasoning, and a cooking oil. Just ignore some veggies. It's just a decoration. So we have a preheated oil. We're gonna put the fish and wait for a few minutes until it's totally golden brown. So okay. Now guys, this is our cooked fried fish, ready for serve.
Okay.
Pro